Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to use Grok AI for crypto trading. So guys, for analyze the market and get the signals. So guys, first thing is guys, you don't fully trust on the AI, because AI is just work on the previous data and what it learned in their previous time. Okay, basically in this video I am using the free version, so maybe there is a variation in the price and the market trend. So, and one more thing is guys, so guys, if you are using any chat bot like chat gpt, not the bot like chat agent, so guys, basically everything is depend on how your prompt. If your prompt is good, so you get the better good results. If it is not good and your AI is not understand what you want, so guys, you facing the issues. Now in this video you use the AI for analyze the market. So guys, basically it's give the detail gives the data based on what it learned in their previous time. So guys, here you see that I'm giving one prompt, give me a current overview of the crypto market and highlight the key mover today. If you want to depth, add context like time range or the specific assets. So now I'm just hit enter, so it start thinking about. And guys, here you see these are the website it searched. So guys, it now what it gives a result. So as the mid July 2026, around July 2025, around July 15-16, the crypto market has showed the signal of recovery from the tough Q2 but remain unconscious. So range boundary face the linear bearish sentimental. Market cap approximately, this is your market cap, and here are the details. Okay, now here these are the key movers, your loser and the performance. Okay, even you also upload the charts in the AI, like here you simply go for the investing.com. Okay, now you go for investing.com India, and here you go for the, so instead of investing you simply trading view is good. Okay, now you go here. Okay, after that guys, you choose the market. So entire world, stock, indices, crypto. Now I am choose the crypto market cap, and this is the Bitcoin. Now you get and click the option of full chart. Okay, now you just close it, and guys, you simply take the screenshot of this, like here you can take, and you can also change the time range. After that guys, you simply go and your AI, go for plus icon, upload a file, and guys, here you screen, and guys, simply sign analyze this chart. Okay, now guys, here you see that start analyzing the chart, and guys, here you see now you ask the next question, it's the right time to buy, purchase, whatever you want, it's give everything. Okay, so this is the way that guys you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.